Hi, Jessica. Thanks for being here. So Jessica says, can you shed some light on licensing your products to other food businesses? So is that, I'm guessing what you, and you can tell me if this isn't what you mean. I'll answer it the way I think and think what you're saying, and then you can tell me if not. So you can essentially like co-pack, be a mini co-packer, or what we might call like a private labeler or a white labeler for other people. So that would be one option where you make the product for them, but you put their label on it. Another option, which maybe as I'm talking now, as I'm saying that out loud, I'm guessing maybe what you're thinking is like another brand wants to maybe buy the recipe or buy the name essentially, and kind of leverage your brand. Certainly you can always, sell your recipe or sell your brand, and somebody else could produce your product instead of you and use your name if you agree on something. So I don't know if that's exactly what you mean. Yeah, leveraging your recipes. Okay. So you can't trademark a recipe. The recipes are not trademarkable or copyrightable. They are considered like, open source essentially. However, you can, it's called a trade secret. You can get a trade secret on like a proprietary, like Coca-Cola, for instance, has a trade secret on their blend of spices and seasonings, flavors that they use inside Coca-Cola. So that's certainly an option. You could get a trade secret and then like sell that trade secret essentially. So I know you make compound butters, so you could, in some of your recipes, kind of make that recipe a trade secret. There are some guidelines to that, and it's certainly possible. Otherwise, you could just do an informal licensing agreement. Essentially, yeah, you're almost selling the business in a way, or at least like a part of the intellectual property. So yeah, certainly an option for you to do that if you wanted to. I would definitely get an attorney involved to make sure your contract, is a win-win for everybody. So definitely an option.